Projectors aimed at artists blends light-based tracing with creative capability, serving both traditional drawing workflows and modern digital analog workflows. They help artists translate reference imagery, grids, and layouts onto walls, canvases, or easels, enabling scalable studies, murals.
Product number 1. Kato P1 Art Projector with exclusive drawing app for artists. The Kato P1 positions itself as a versatile drawing-focused projector with an LED light source, autofocus, keystone correction, and an integrated drawing application. It supports a 4K-capable video pipeline and projects up to 100 inches, with 4K support noted in specs. Connectivity includes 3.5mm audio, HDMI, USB, and Wi-Fi, plus Bluetooth audio, and it emphasizes a dedicated drawing workflow via the built-in app and a remote control for quick feature access. The device is compact at 3.66 by 4.92 by 6.61 inches and 2.9 pounds, making it suitable for portable studio setups or classroom use. Performance-wise, the P1 uses a 1280 by 720 display resolution and relies on a sealed optical core to minimize dust ingress and preserve image quality over time. The autofocus and keystone features are marketed as fast and seamless, with a projection distance range of 3.1 to 10.5 feet. The built-in drawing app offers modes like Gridify, Sketchify, Comic Size, and Monochromize, with adjustable backgrounds and grids to support tracing and layout planning. Real-world use benefits include quick setup for tracing templates, the option to mirror content from mobile devices via AirPlay or Miracast, and 5G/2.4G Wi-Fi with Bluetooth audio support. However, the display resolution remains 1280 by 720, which may limit fine detail when tracing high-precision references at larger sizes, particularly for artists who require crisp line work or color accuracy. The LED light source promises long life, and the lamp life is described as up to 10,000 hours, contributing to low operating cost over time.
Product number 2. Kato P3 Art Projector with exclusive drawing app for artists. The Kato P3 builds on the P1 by increasing resolution to 1080p native, offering a larger projection range from 40 to 120 inches and enhanced brightness with 400 ANSI lumens. It also features a 360-degree rotatable base and dual-band Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.4 for higher bandwidth and lower latency, with a robust built-in drawing app similar to the P1. This model emphasizes a more versatile setup for larger works, wall murals, and collaborative sessions, while maintaining a portable form factor and app-driven workflow. Performance-wise, the P3 emphasizes faster autofocus, sub 3 seconds, and auto keystone to keep images crisp as you adjust angles. The 1080p resolution, combined with 400 ANSI lumens, yields better detail and more accurate line work at standard tracing distances, 3.6 to 8.7 feet. The 360-degree rotatable base adds flexibility for ceiling projections or awkward walls, which is beneficial for artists working on large canvases or floor-to-wall layouts. Connectivity remains versatile with HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.4. However, as with most portable drawing projectors, color accuracy and brightness in bright rooms will still be a limiting factor. Product number 3. Kato P1 Art Projector with exclusive drawing app for artists. This Kato P1 variant mirrors the P1 in feature set, but is priced lower at $179.99, offering the same LED-based projection, autofocus, keystone, and built-in drawing app. It supports up to 100 inches and 4K video playback claims, while native resolution remains 1280 by 720. The reduced price makes it an attractive option for artists who want drawing-focused features without paying the premium, making it competitive for hobbyists and education use. Performance-wise, the P1, lower priced, emphasizes convenience and value. 1280 by 720 native resolution with 4K playback compatibility suggests support for high-definition content while projecting, though preserved resolution is 720p. The autofocus and keystone remain effective, with a projection distance of 3.1 to 10.5 feet, and the same sealed optical core helps longevity. Connectivity includes 5G/2.4G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth audio, and screen mirroring options, eShare, AirPlay, Miracast. For artists, the key decision is whether the extra 20 to 40% cost of P3 is justified by the higher resolution and brightness that may matter for fine detail tracing or early-stage design work.
Product number 4. Artograph Easy Tracer Opaque Art Projector. The Artograph Easy Tracer is a traditional opaque projector designed for tracing from an original paper image onto a wall or canvas. It enlarges 2x to 10x and uses a glass lens to project the image onto a surface, with a fixed 4-inch by 4-inch copy size. It's lightweight, 2.15 pounds, and table-mounted, with a long power cord and no USB or modern streaming capabilities. This is a classic workflow device, particularly suited for static tracing tasks, murals, or craft projects, rather than dynamic digital projection. Performance-wise, the Easy Tracer excels at simplicity and reliability in controlled lighting conditions. It requires a dark room to maximize image clarity and suggests an appropriate bulb, e.g. 25W LED replacement, due to heat considerations with traditional bulbs. Its fixed copy size and section-based enlargement force artists to work in passes for larger pieces, which can be limiting for full wall murals, but highly effective for precise grid-based tracing and transfer work. Maintenance is straightforward. No digital firmware to manage, but bulb replacement and lens cleanliness impact image quality. Product number 5. Drawing Projector. The GIK-CUNZL drawing projector is a compact multifunction device described as a mini portable projector with a stand, capable of 1280 by 720 resolution and 3840 by 2160 maximum display, plus wireless and wired connectivity. It emphasizes dual use for art tracing and general movie or presentation projection, with a small footprint, about 3.2 by 4.7 inches, and a stand extending up to 34 inches. This model targets artists who want a highly portable, versatile tool that can double as a compact viewing option for on-the-go sketching sessions. Performance-wise, the device offers 1280 by 720 native resolution with 4K support and HDR clarity, which helps with mid-size tracing tasks and reference viewing. Its flexibility is enhanced by multiple connectivity options, HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, and a stand that provides adjustable height and 360-degree rotation for flexible projection angles. However, given its compact size and 400-plus ANSI-like brightness claims are not specified, brightness in bright studios may be a shortfall, and the device's primary identity remains as a portable drawing aid rather than a dedicated art projector. It's best for light tracing, reference projection, and casual viewing, rather than large-scale, high-precision work.